This is the average game show.
But this one's not like the others
because this is Fiery Friend Feud.
Hi, welcome to Fiery Friend Feud, the game where two pairs of friends battle it out, answering questions about volcanoes and earthquakes. It's time to meet our friends! Everyone put your hands together for the... Wait, people, not yet. We haven't even introduced them. Please welcome the Hotspot team. Thank you, Frapplecasm and Bernice. You can go right over there to your table.
Excuse me.
Our next team is the Seismic Wave team. Hey, America. I'm Fergus. Super sexy man. And I'm Charles.
Yeah.
Thanks, Team Seismic Wave. You can head on over to your table. Now let's get started with the game. Here are the rules. Buzz in your answer as fast as you can, but if you get it wrong, the other team gets a free chance to answer it. So let's get started. Question number 1. What are all the layers of the Earth called in correct order?
First there's the crust, then the mantle,
Then the outer core.
and finally the inner core. See?
Correct. 1 point to the Hotspot team. Now, question number 2. What did Wagner call the continent, the supercontinent that existed long ago? Let's go with
Pancunga. Wrong answer.
We know the answer. Pangea. Correct! Both teams now have 1 point. We'll be right back after this short message. Random facts. Here's some random facts that you might need to know later on in life or in your science class. When a plate is sinking below another plate, it is called subduction. How about another name for a mountain is a risen landmass? Or that a transform fault is a boundary where a plate is slipping past another. Or did you know that a divergent boundary is two plates that are moving apart? And a convergent boundary is where two plates are moving together. This has been Random Facts. Now back to Fiery Friend Feud. Welcome back. Now back to our questions. Question number 3. How is an earthquake caused? The vibrations of crust caused by the sudden release of energy.
Yeah, caused by plate movement.
Correct! Hotspot team, you're up by 1 point. Question number 4. What is the mid-ocean ridge? Is it a bridge in England?
Wrong answer.
We think it's...
let's say large underwater mountain ranges.
that runs down the middle of the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Correct! We'll be right back after this brief message. Welcome to Did You Know? Did you know that a plate tectonic is a theory that a dozen large plates make up the Earth's crust and are constantly moving? Or did you know that Wagner's theory of continental drift was formed because of 3 pieces of evidence? Evidence number 1, the shape of the continents. Evidence number 2, the fossil record. And finally, the landforms in the ancient Ice Age. Or did you know that the theory of plate tectonics was created because of the mapping of the ocean floor, the age of the ocean floor's rock, magnetic reversals, and the location of earthquakes and volcanoes? Or did you know that a plateau is a risen area of flat ground? Or that a seismic wave is an energy wave caused by an earthquake? This has been Did You Know? Now back to Fiery Friend Feud. Hi! We hope you've enjoyed the game so far.
Because we only have a couple more questions left to the end.
Question number 5. Where can volcanoes erupt? Plate boundaries?
Yeah, or at hot spots.
Correct again! Second last question, number 6. What is an aftershock? Smaller tremors after an earthquake.
Due to pressure being slowly released.
Correct! We're all tied up again. So here is the final question right after this short message. Random, did you know? Did you know, very randomly, that a tsunami is an ocean wave caused by an earthquake or underwater volcano? How about that a volcano is an opening in the crust where lava and other materials erupt? Or how about that a hot spot is where the mantle is so hot that it melts the rock above it and rises into the surface? This has been Random Did You Know? Now back to Fiery Friend Feud. Welcome back! Time for our last question. Whoever gets this right wins! Question number 7. What is the 2 types of crusts? Hot and cold? Wrong answer! Hot spots, do you know the answer? We sure do!
The answer is
Continental
an oceanic crust.
We have a winner! You've won! What was that? Oh my gosh! Earthquake! Run for your lives! Oh my gosh! Run away!
Pay no attention to the trampoline around us. Thank heavens that wasn't a volcano. What was that? Volcano! Run! Run! It's an volcano!
the volcano?
I think we need to end our show.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna end very pretty for us right now. So if you find this tape,
Give it to your science teacher.
and make sure they know who this is.
And make sure they know everything they need to know.
That this is by Amander Riekert.
Michelle Savoie. Make sure they know everything about volcanoes and earthquakes. Because someday,
You're gonna need this information. Thanks for watching.
Pay no attention to anything around.
I want to go down as your creepy